Hello friends, welcome to the channel Tips and Tricks. From the past few years in India, football became the most loved and enjoyable sport game. If you are a football player and looking for the best pair of shoes, then this video is for you. In this video, I have shared the list of top 5 best football shoes in India. All these brands of football shoes are available online. Please check description for latest price and discount. If you are new to our channel, then please like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe.